In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Jotform in a pop-up window, a simple yet effective way to enhance your website's user interface. Let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to jotform.com. Make sure you're signed in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before you can continue. Once you're logged in, head over to your Jotform account's dashboard. Here you'll see an option labelled My Forms on the navigation panel. Click on it and you'll be taken to a section displaying all the forms you've created. Now identify the form you want to modify. Click on it to open it within the Jotform form builder. You'll notice several options at the top of the page. Your focus should be on the Publish option. This is where you'll find various ways to share your form with others. After clicking Publish, look to the left-hand navigation menu. You'll find an Embed section. Click on it to proceed further. The Embed section is designed to offer you different options for displaying your form on a website. Our goal is to open the form in a pop-up window, so you'll need to scroll through the options until you find one labelled Popup. Selecting the pop-up option will prompt Jotform to generate a code snippet specifically designed for a pop-up window. This snippet is the magic ingredient that enables your form to appear in a pop-up on your site. Carefully copy this code by clicking on the provided option. Now with the copied code in hand, it's time to incorporate it into your website. You'll need to access the source code of the web page where you'd like the pop-up to appear. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. If you're using a website builder or a content management system, look for an option that allows you to add or edit HTML code. Once you locate the appropriate section in the source code, paste the Jotform pop-up code snippet exactly where you want the pop-up to be activated. Be cautious about where you place it, as this will determine when and how the pop-up appears to your visitors. After pasting the code, save your changes and preview your website to ensure everything is working smoothly. You should see your Jotform now beautifully opening in a pop-up window, ready to engage your audience more dynamically. And there you have it, you've efficiently set up a Jotform to open in a pop-up window, enhancing the interaction on your site. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out through our support channels. Happy form creating!